Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and today I am here with a mini, not a review because I'm sure the whole world has reviewed it, but I'm just going to be playing today with the Jackie Aina palette. Yay! So I've not been able to get my hands on the palette here, but my friend had it, so I went and got it from her. Like, why shall I not have a Jackie Aina palette review on channel? As you all know, this is in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. They are a very reputable brand. I'm sure you all know them. And yeah, I love the packaging. So knowing that I was going to do this today, I wore green. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like my only green top, and I wore it for this video today, and I'm happy about it. Anyway, this is what I'm sure you guys already know what palette looks like, but I'm just going to show you guys what the palette also looks like. Oh, isn't this stunning? Like, look at that. Hey. Look at those colors. Today I think I'm playing with purples and some of the shimmer shades. I'm trying to, do something different from everything. Wow. I'm trying to do something different from what I usually do every other day. So wish me luck, guys. I've been calculating. I'm gonna put trust issues, then Shukington. I'm like, no, why don't you put dwellers? And I'm like, people, just go with your flow. I confuse myself. Anyway guys, before we jump into this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel or I will judge you, and also click the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video, or you are notified every time I upload a video so you never miss anyone. I'm trying to upload twice a week. Oh god, I'm trying. It's not easy working and editing and having my own business, but I'm really trying and I'm working on it. So it would be nice if you guys give this video a thumbs up to show that you like my content. And yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbing now. Let's jump right into this video. All right, so first off, I just want to speak through my skin because I know you guys, like, I do that all the time, but I'm using almost the same thing but different things today. So I'm just going to show you guys, but I'm going to speak through it a bit. I'm not really going to be detailed on how I'm highlighting and contouring, if you guys get what I mean. I'm just going to speak through it. And the annoying part is today that I decided to film this palette, I'm not going anywhere. Like, this is almost 8 o'clock and I'm in my studio filming, and once I get in, I'm going to wash this makeup and sleep. Do you know how painful it is? So painful, but I got this palette today and I said I'm going to film with it today. So yeah, you guys, now you have to give me a thumbs up because come on. Okay, first thing, I'm going to hydrate my skin. I'm going to be using the Omari Code X. I'm going to be using the Omari Code X Brega Hydrate Moisture Maximizer, and I love this thing so much. It is so sticky. Let me show you guys something. Let me just show you guys something. So look at that. Like, so sticky. Ow. So I'm just going to massage that into my skin, and it kind of leaves a nice glow. Next up, guys, I'm going to use the Black Opal Invisible All Blocking Gel Primer. Like, I actually do like this primer. It actually does blur, my pores, and it glides on so smoothly, and it doesn't feel silicone. It feels like gel, like you said. Look at that. Are you seeing that? We're going to move on to foundation. Today I'm going to be using my Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation, and I'm going to be mixing in 340 with a little bit of golden caramel. This is actually very light, but I just dropped a little tiny bit just to make it oh wow, right now, wow. Okay, so moving on, I'm just going to use the Niban Beauty concealer in the shade 043. Quite a new concealer, and it's quite waved about. I feel I could have maybe gotten the shade. No, take it back. Good shade. Okay, so I just spread a bit. Yeah. And then after doing that, I do this. I feel this is like a very good concealer, but It does dry fast, so I'm going to act fast. Blends out beautifully. Beautiful. Next, we're taking our Black Opal foundation stick in Out Chocolate. I feel like everyone owns one of these. Like, this was the staple contour sticks for everybody. And I don't drag it upwards. Just like that. Just like that. I like this brush. This is a New Brand Beauty brush. Doesn't have any. Okay, NF15. This is the NF15 brush. The skin is looking face tuned in real life. Just to let you guys know that, just in case you're not seeing it. Now I'm just setting with my Beauty by AD setting powder, which I love so much. Pressing A first. Pressing A. Alright, next I'm going to take some of the powder on my brush and just set everywhere else. I concealed. And I go in with that powder and I set the rest of my face. I set everywhere. Just lightly, so that whatever powder I come in with will not be patchy. Now I'm just going to go in with one of my favorite powders ever. This is the Iman Second to Non Luminous Foundation Powder. It is luminous, like literally it has specks of, not glitter, but it has like some shine to it, like real shine. So I really love to use this powder to just give myself a warmth, yes, and some color. You know, after using that setting powder, I just use this and I say, hey, you need some warmth over here. And she's like, yes girl, I got you. Alright, next I'm just going to bronze up my skin. I'm trying to like finish, you know, not finish, but just like halfway done with skin. I'm going to take the same Iman powder, but this time I'm taking F2. That was Play 2. This is F2. This is the darker shade, and I'm just using that to. I think it's a brush. I'm just using that to like bronze up where I contour. I really love this shade for my like bronzing stroke contouring because it's just the perfect shade. So now I feel like I'm a great again. So guys, I'm just going to do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Next, we're moving into the star of the show, the Jackie Aina palette. Let's do this song. Jackie, hey! Alright. My sister is here, she's looking at me like. I have a color story I am going for. I'm trying to make sure I use a lot of colors, but I'll try and create another look using this palette. I'm trying to create something wearable but still very, very funky. So the first shade, now how I do my eyeshadow is quite different. I go in with my lead colors before I move into like my transition shades, and you know, I build upwards. I don't know how to put the transition colors first. I used to do, but I've forgotten how to do it because then you have to cut the lead and make it clean and then place it again, and I'm not in the mood. I'm never in the mood. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is Trust Issues. Trust me, I am going somewhere good, but that's the first shade I'm going in with. Alright, it has a mirror, so I'm going to use this mirror. Okay, I'm going in with Trust Issues. Father Lord. Ooh. Oh, okay, Auntie Jackie. Oh wow. Oh. So she's doing. Oh, okay. So is that what we're doing? Oh. All right. So I'm just taking that, spreading it. Like, I'm amazed at, like, guys, are you seeing that? Next shade we're going to go in with is Shookington. Shookington. And I'm just going to continue from where what's it called? From where Trust Issues. You see, I have to wait. I started placing that, and I see, like, I was carried away, but right on top of Trust Issues, and it's not having issues. Like, What? Okay, now I'm scared. Am I doing trash? They are not too dry, but they are buttery, but not too wet. I don't know how to explain it. I'm sorry, but the formula though. I have Anastasia palettes, and they are not really like this. I must say they are good, but this, wow, what, wow. Okay, I'm really shook. So I'm just gonna blend because I'm not going for a very harsh look. Like I'm not going for like a cut crease look, so I need it blended actually. I'm just going to use that brush to also blend it into um what's it called? Trust issues. So that the fade grading fade, is there. Oh, this is so beautiful. Alright, I'm going in with credit. Okay. I'm just stamping that in first. Where am I getting this look? I don't know. So there's a lot of fallout from credit, so think about that. I'm going with circular motion. I'm just blending that into my crease. Circular motion. Like this is blending out beautifully. Okay, now my eyes beginning to make some sense. Now nobody can talk to me. I'm sorry. Like, please don't come to me. Don't talk to me. Mind your business. I'm going to go in with ginger, and I'm going to then start to create your first shade becomes my last shade. Okay. 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 Ginger. Oh, that's so pretty. So you see, just like that, I went from, but I did it anyway. Right? This brush is like a tapered brush. It's fat, but it's like goes this way, so it gets the job done like properly. And I'm just also taking that in, and it's doing the job like perfectly for me. Alright, so I think I am done with the upper eye. I'm not your concrete girl, but I think I did good. Like, I like it. Now, moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to take my Binwa pencil in the color Purple Rain. This is it. To like dog down a bit, like that, and just just like that. Now, I was thinking of going in with Supreme, but I want something to pop, so I think I'm actually going to go in with a bit of Big Wig, and then we'll go in with Supreme. Okay. And I'm just going to run that very close to my lash line. Now you see this now. Very close. Oh my god. She's Big Wig. Whoa. I'm just connecting it to the outer corner. We're still going to smoke it out, don't be scared. Next up, we're going to go in with, we're going to use a more fluffy brush. More fluffy and pointed. Yes, something like this. Point like this. And I'm going to go in with Supreme actually. I'm doing it. I'm going to go in with Supreme. And I'm just shading it. I really want the eyes to be like no. I'm looking for some color. Like, whoa. And now I'm just taking a clean brush and making sure that it's nice and smooth. Now there is a bit of, like, not a bit, a lot of fallout, but I like the fact that the fallout doesn't stick to my skin. Like, it doesn't stick. Powder on the powder, it's not sticking. Now I'm just thinking, what lash is befitting of this look? What, like, let's put, you know what, anti so ill. I don't know what that is, but I'm just gonna take a bit of it and just put a bit, just a tiny bit with a fluffy brush on my brow bone. I swear. Oh yes, 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 yes. That's so nice for the brow bone. Now let me tell you the most confusing part for me today: what lash to fit with what? Because I have in Lash and I have this lash. Like, in the comment below, which one would you have picked? I think I should go for this V lash one because it will like stand out. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush and my NARS brush, and I'm just going to brush myself away. Peachy blush always means I give you the answer story. Oh yes. All right, now we're going to move on to highlighter for the ultimate glow. I don't tap. I just just swipe. Connect it up all the way there. I want to go to the, because I need my pictures to be beaming at you. For lips, we're going in with the chestnut lip liner. The lips we're going to be using today are by MAC and they are in the shade Honey Love. Honey Love. I never go wrong with Honey Love. Like, it's Next, I'm going in with some gloss because no matter what anybody says in this life, gloss is life. Okay? No. Girl, not this gloss. Oh, child, who are you? Wrong gloss. Now I'm just going with my Beauty by Abh. Glossing up. Now we set. So now I'm going to be setting my face with the Nia makeup setting spray. This comes out like she's angry. With the pump, she's pissed. Comes out so angry. Oh. Okay. Because I need that. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys love it. I am in absolute love with this look. Like, you see, like, what's her name? Supreme. She's reigning supreme here. Like, she's there for us. I tried to go out of my comfort zone today, which I do sometimes, and I am absolutely in love with the way I look. This palette is, the formula is 100% different from the normal like Anastasia palettes. Like, they are creamy but not too tight, and they pick up just nice enough to give you the perfect amount of pigment. As you can see, I didn't have to spray any brush. I was going straight in and getting those looks, girl. And yeah, I'm just actually in love with the look. I went out of my comfort zone and I used some nice things, and I did like bold eyes, not too nude lips, and I'm just like, who's this? If you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give your comments on what else you guys like to see me create. I can do color when I feel like. I can be creative when I feel like. Okay, if I would just let myself be creative, I can sometimes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.